Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G04, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the power saving mode, which for me is located right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It does give you a quick pop-up, turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notification. Now, I do want to point out one of the more important parts of this message is the delay in notifications. This is caused by the power saving mode turning off your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, it will reconnect to one of those to check if it's missing some kind of notifications and then deliver them to you in bulk, probably in delay, as it just had probably some time in between where it didn't look for anything. So that's where the delay comes in. So something to be very mindful of if you rely on your notifications being delivered to you on time. Now, with that being said, all you need to do is select turn on. As you can see, it lights up, and that's it. It's now running. Once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to turn it off, just find the toggle once again, tap on it once more, and this will disable it. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.